In this tutorial we will create a 3D part. First we will go new, then select a part, then solid, then uncheck this used in default template, then OK, then select a MNS part solid, then OK. Another page is open. First we will go to a sketch, select any plane, top plane. Okay, first we will create a rectangle, set center rectangle, click here, center rectangle, then click him here, then click him mouse button, then change the dimension 80, 120, then OK. Click here for extrude. Something problem. Okay, start. Then depth is 20, yeah, 15, something. Okay, then select a sketch, then select a surface, then sketch, then click a circle, create a circle, click on left button on mouse, then click on mouse button, then change the dimension of the circle 80, then OK, and go to extrude, then height is 15, yeah, otherwise 20 you want. Okay, then sketch, then click the surface, then sketch, then take a again circle, then click on middle mouse button, then change the dimension of the diameter 60. Okay, then extrude, then change the direction, remove the material 15, then OK, create a part this surface, then select sketch, then select this surface, then sketch, and select a reference plane. So first here the reference, then take a reference, close, another reference is required, take a, then close, then select a corner rectangle, then change the height 50, shift, then drag, select and right click, then construction, this construction for construction. Okay, then sketch view, then take a arc for another, so choose a center in dark, center, select a center, and select end, and then create this arc. Here, then use the delete segment, this area is removed. Okay, then extrude, and fit how much extrude, then this arrow is 15, yeah, otherwise 20. Then okay, then select a sketch, then select a surface, click on a sketch, then for a reference, click on reference and select this area, approach, then take a gun circle for material removal. Change the dimension of the circle, 32 diameter of the circle, then okay, then go to extrude, then change the direction, okay, need the all the side, we will then we will same part is required is here, and then same, so select this plane and use the mirror. So first we will select extrude, select control press, then extrude 4 and extrude 5, and then go to mirror, then select a plane, then okay, this model is ready. Okay. That's all, thanks for watching, we will stop here.